Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at secret affiliate system. Now in a nutshell guys, this is a brand new system and a training program, step-by-step training program. It's going to show you guys how to get paid over and over and over again in a consistent basis each and every month. Alright guys, now one of the best offers that you can promote right now as an affiliate marketer is the offer that has this monthly recurring payment. The reason for that guys is you only need to send the traffic once and you can still get paid over and over again without you having to send the traffic again. You basically send that traffic once, and once you make sales guys, you get paid each and every month on complete autopilot without you having to send the traffic again or without you having to lift your finger. And just like I said, secret affiliate system can help you do that. Alright guys, so it's basically comes with the training, the software, and the products. So you don't need to look for products. What are the products that you need to promote right now guys? Because inside of secret affiliate system, everything is done for you guys. The funnel, the products that you can promote, you just basically plug into your system, get your affiliate link, and plug in your affiliate link into the system, and get paid once you make sales promoting those offers each and every month. Alright guys, and yeah, before I'm gonna show you guys the demo of secret affiliate system, how this works, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys purchase secret affiliate system through the link down in the description of this video, you get access guys to additional value. These are my bonuses guys that no one else is gonna give you access to this kind of bonus, because this came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences guys. These are actually the case study of my results, promoting offers in different kind of strategy. I'm gonna show you exactly this. I'm gonna give you access to these offers or case studies rather right here, right guys. So my bonus number one guys, a case study on how I'm able to generate $70 to $100 per day with ClickBank using only free traffic. I'm gonna show you exactly step by step process on how to do this guys, what funnel that I use, what traffic that I use guys, and what product that I use. And you can also promote the product and make $70 commissions to $100 per day on complete autopilot without you having to lift your finger. This is the exact method guys that I use to generate this kind of amount of money on ClickBank, and you can also do the same. Alright, that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two guys, I'm going to show you a case study on how I'm able to generate $112 per Quora using this unique and simple strategy. This is not a comment guys, this is gonna blow your mind guys. And actually I was shocked with this method when I'm able to generate this $112, which I just experiment. You can also do the same guys and promote any kind of offer. This is real powerful, right? So that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three guys, I'm gonna show you a case study on how I'm able to generate $30 using a set and forget free traffic source guys. It's gonna blow your mind as well. Now this traffic source guys will consistently get your clicks, get your eyeballs, on complete autopilot without you having to lift your finger again. All you have to do is send this, set up the traffic once and still get clicks into your offers on complete autopilot. This is so powerful, right? I have this case study on how I'm able to do this, step by step process on how I'm able to do this, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm going to show you a case study on how I'm able to generate $100 over and over again just by chatting to my email. I actually use Gmail to do this, and you can also do this, guys. I have this 10-minute video training showing you exactly a case study on how I'm able to do this live in front of your eyes. That way you can copy and implement this strategy and make $100 over and over again with this strategy, right? My next bonus for you guys, I have this, 20-minute video showing you guys exactly step-by-step process on how to make monthly recurring commissions on ClickBank, right guys? So I have this, just like I said, 20-minute video, step-by-step process guys. I'm going to show you exactly what offer that you need to promote inside of ClickBank. I'm going to show you guys how to create your funnel. I'm going to show you guys how to drive free and fast targeted traffic into your offer. That way you can really get great result within 24 hours within this strategy. Or this is so powerful, just like I said, step-by-step process on how I'm able to do this. My next bonus for you guys is a coaching call, a one-on-one live session. If you wanted to hop in a call, we can also do that. Alright guys, I'm gonna share with you, what tools that I use, guys, how I make money online. If you guys wanted to hop in a call, we can also do that, guys, if you wanted to do that. But if you don't want to do that, you can just grab all these bonuses right here. But just like I said, guys, you can get all of these bonuses if you guys would love to pick up secret affiliate system through the link down in the description of this video. When you guys click that link, this will take you to this page right here. You can learn more about this offer. Just watch this video right here, guys. And the headline says, push button system lets you clone our done for you passive recurring income system that makes us $30,000 per month. Now, this right here, you can make less than this. That depends on the traffic, right? Because if you cannot send the traffic to this into your page, then you cannot really make money, right? So this figure right here, guys, depends on the traffic, and this bonus right here, guys, can really help you guys out, you know get you insane result with this strategy. All right, guys, so let me show you inside, guys, what you can expect inside of secret affiliate system. So basically, guys, you have this fast start video series right here. You'll be able to watch this video, step by step video training, guys, showing exactly how the system works and how you can get started using the system and start making your passive income promoting offers that has this monthly recurring payment. And just like I said, guys, you don't need to purchase domain, you don't need to purchase hosting, guys, because everything is done for you. All you have to do, guys, is activate your funnel by clicking on this secret affiliate funnel right here. It's gonna take you guys to this page right here. It's gonna let you guys activate your funnel by clicking on this arrow button right here, and this is where you view your squish page landing page URL right here. You'll be able to get access into this exact funnel. This is where you send people, right? This is when you send people into this opt-in page right here, right? So this is the exact opt-in page that you'll be sending people, all right? And this right here, guys, is your, let me show you this, all right? And this right here is your content page. This is where you monetize that traffic, guys, with different kind of offers, right? So you can monetize this, guys, by getting access into this passive income system workshop right here, right? Be able to generate like $500 per sale with this strategy, with this offer right here, guys. And there's also like other offers that has this monthly recurring payment inside of this page, right? So basically, um, you monetize this page with different kind of offers, right? And this is where you get your affiliate link, guys. So click on get your affiliate link right here. This is where you set up your link, get access to your link, and start monetizing your content page with different kind of offers that has this monthly recurring payment. That way you can get paid each and every month on complete autopilot. And there's also comes with autoresponder, guys. You'll be able to connect your a landing page link into this autoresponder. That way you can automatically follow up those leads on complete autopilot. And they have this done for you email swipes. You don't need to write your swipes or emails, guys, because everything is done for you. And basically, there's also like free traffic system that you can use to drive free traffic into your funnel and make money on complete autopilot, right? And you have this case study, right? Community group, extra free traffic source. There's like bonus videos. There's also like certificates right here, guys, right? You wanted to get your certificate within the program, then you can grab your certificate within the program right here. You're just basically putting your name inside of this certificate and download this certificate. And for some reason I cannot view my certificate right now, but basically this is where you get your certificate if you wanted to get your certificate. And if you guys wanted to consider upgrading your account, there's also like some upgrades right here. All right, there's like an automated traffic ATM edition, ultimate edition, license rights, 30,000 in 30 days, and there's like a bonus builder and millionaire edition. Or just like I said, guys, this is where you put your name and get your certificate, download your certificate, and print your certificate, right? So yeah, those are the things that you can expect inside of secret affiliate system. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And just like I said, guys, if you guys would love to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access, guys, to this custom crafted bonuses, guys, that no one else is gonna give you this kind of bonuses, because this came from my own knowledge, guys. These are unique strategy, guys, that no one else gonna show you, because just like I said, this is from my own knowledge and from my own experiences. Alright, guys, if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And thanks so much for watching this review video. And I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.